In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working on a group project, organizing a team, or simply trying to keep conversations more focused, creating a new channel is a great way to stay organized and improve collaboration. Channels help separate topics, reduce clutter, and make sure the right people are seeing the right messages at the right time. To get started, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this on your desktop computer or through the mobile app, depending on how you usually work. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main Teams interface where all your teams and conversations live. Next, look for the Community or Teams section within the app. On the desktop version, this is usually located on the left-hand sidebar, while on mobile, it may be tucked inside a menu. Selecting this option will show you a list of the teams you're currently part of. Take a moment here to identify the correct team where you want your new channel to exist. Choosing the right team is important because it keeps related conversations grouped together and easy to find later. Once you've selected the correct team, find the option to add a new channel. When you click this, a pop-up window will appear asking for details about your channel. This is where a little planning helps. Think about what the channel will be used for, such as announcements, ongoing project discussions, or casual team conversations. Having a clear purpose makes the channel more effective and easier for others to use. Now, it's time to name your channel. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose so team members immediately understand what it's for. Keep the name short, simple, and descriptive. After typing the name into the provided field and confirming that everything looks right, click the Add button to finish. Your new channel will now appear under the selected team in the sidebar. From here, you can start posting messages, sharing files, and keeping conversations organized. You can repeat this process anytime you need additional channels for different topics or projects. Channels are a powerful way to keep communication clear and your team connected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.